Ain't no tip, ain't no tip. Who gon' get jealous? When your friend.
Woo! That motherfucker. Sheesh. What up, YouTube? Hey, man, this your boy, Scatyblk817. Check it back in. Back with another video. Back with another banger video, man. So, hey, man, today is the day, man. I'm finally going to drop the car off, man, to the shop to get the underglows and the DRLs and the halos, the whole Lightingtrendz setup on the car, man. I've been waiting to do this mod for a long time, man. So, the shop that I'm gonna be going to is Outrageous Lighting. I will pull up and film some of the shop, man. Introduce y'all to those guys, man. If you're local in the DFW, man, make sure you check out these guys, man. And hit me up because I do have a sponsorship with them, the club, 4 Street Runners, man. So, hey, man, hit me up and I can get you a discount with those guys, man. Also, man, I got a Lightingtrendz discount code. Make sure you check that out. Link is in the description. Outrageous Lighting will be in the description, man. But if you're new over here and if you're not subscribed, man, do so right now, man. Join the family, join the team. We're going up all 2020, man. Drop your boy a thumbs up, man. Give me a comment. Subscribe to the channel, man. Turn on that post notification bell so you be notified anytime your boy drop a video like this here, man. So, we're headed to the shop, man. I'm going to give y'all some B-roll footage and whatnot, you know what I mean? But I will cut the camera back on for sure once we pull up to the shop, man. Let's go, man.
I'm still thugging high as fuck while I'm so rich. All late night with me, man, you coming home. They retarded, get these niggas crazy. On all my babies, quit the face, I'm not gonna let them take. Stand up, here comes the crew, food rider, wood wheel rider. Running bomb, showing off your body now. Dancing to my music now. Never show you.
So it's up here by 7-Eleven.
Damn, my GPS was telling me to go down here.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that when it splits off, it's up here.
Get your ghosty. Alright, we here, man. We done pulled up. It's a little dusty out here now. Look at that thing now, boy. Oh.
Head south toward Dixon Road.
Shut up, GPS. Y'all see, man, this is where we at.
So they're gonna work only whenever you have control them off your phone, just like this.
Oh, okay, cool. So I have total control of it.
Total. So they will not come on unless you turn on them with your phone.
And will these all be in series?
So the flows and the halos are gonna be 2 different apps.
Okay, 2 different
Yes.
apps. Okay. Flows and halos, 2 different apps.
Yes, but they're both Bluetooth. That's what I can see here.
Yeah,
here's the Bluetooth for the underglow.
Right. Yeah, I did order Bluetooth for both of them, man. So like the DRLs and the halos will be on one app together, and then these will be on a separate app.
Yes.
By themselves. Okay.
And the style flows that you got for the fog lights, they just stick on the outside.
Oh, okay.
Because you got the waterproof ones.
Yeah. So look at that. It's simple.
Yeah, that one's simple.
Come on now. Yeah.
They got their sponsors up here. I gotta get a sticker for them.
Coronavirus!
Lightingtrendz, you already know what it is, man.
You should have drawn the Scatty, bro.
The first time let somebody drive a Scat?
What? Oh, sounds so good. Oh, that thing is hard, man. So that thing going up on the lift, man. If it get into that work. Yes, sir.
2 days later.
Alright, so we just pulled up to the shop. We coming around the corner. I don't know if he gonna have the lights on already for me to look at or whatnot, but man, we all finna see him for the first time, you know what I'm saying? Look how he got that thing cocked. Okay. See how okay. So I want to see how it's gonna look like versus having the factory DRLs in there.
Almost looks about the same.
Yeah, they almost look the same. Alright, you guys, so man, here we go. Y'all see the car, man. We got the lights on that thing, man. As y'all see, we got the Flow Series DRLs. We got the Halo fog lights. And as y'all see, man, I did not put nothing on my headlight. I did not do that. I wanted something different. Everybody got that. Shout out to Edgar EDVGR Scat on Instagram, man. I got this idea from him. I seen his scat with it. Looks dope. Of course, y'all know we got the underglows installed, but you can't see them right now. But we will be going back to the house and I'm gonna be showing y'all the underglows. But yeah, man, so make sure y'all come and check him out. Outrageous Lighting. He does it all, man. As y'all see, he got a truck up there right now. He doing some rock lights to that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, come check him out. And we'll have his information down there in the description, man. Y'all know, bro, that's the mad scientist. You know, he don't want to be on camera, but hey, we might change that because we finna bring him a whole lot of business, man. Y'all know what I'm saying? But yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you watch this whole video. When I get back to the house, I'm gonna play with these things a little bit more. But here they go, man. Yeah, your boy done put them lights on there, man. Come on. Come on, man. That top and bottom look, baby. Yeah, we gonna match it up. Top and bottom. Yeah, come on, man. Y'all see what it is. Bro lit up. Hey, we gotta get you some fog lights down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get sucker.
I'm telling you, that fog, when you put the fogs down there, bro, I'm talking about it hard. Like it just set it up. Yeah, it's hard. So, bro, what you think about the light?
Hey, man, that sets it off.
Set it up?
Car looks different now.
Come on, man. Y'all heard it. Look different. Come on, man. Yeah, hey, he been lighting it up. Come on, man. Hey, hardest V6 in DFW. I said that. So yeah, man, I'm about to head to the house. I'm gonna pull it in the garage a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna show y'all some more of the lights, and then I'll give y'all some B-rolls at the end of the video, man. But yeah, so here go one of the last major look wise mods that I'm doing to the car, man. It was the lights. You know what I mean? So we're gonna leave it a solid blue because he said we can ride with it with a solid color, as long as it's not red, and we ought to be good, man. So roll it up, we good. Yeah.